Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. I have a very good news for UAE students. As you know, Vifhe operates globally in 100 plus countries. And since last 3.5 years, we are teaching a lot of students from UAE. So what we want is you people to get a really good quality education. For that purpose, Vifhe is conducting its first ever physical workshop in Dubai. Yes, it's a physical workshop. As we have taught a lot of students globally, internationally, so now you have a very good chance to meet your tutors in the heart of Dubai. So we will be coming to Dubai, me with Sir Ahmed Mumtaz, Hassan Dosani will be in Dubai 24th, 25th, 26th. Just note down the timings, the dates and the address and the location and make sure you make best of this. Yes, once you will come to these workshops which are really designed and planned in such a way that we'll be covering important examination tips. We'll be discussing important topics for March 23 and definitely in those 5 to 6 hours, we'll be making your paper solving really easy. So I hope to see you all. Make sure you forward this video to all your friends in Sharjah, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi so that everybody can take benefit from these free webinars. See you soon in Dubai. Bye.